Today I want to make iced tea. Yeah, this is powder iced tea, full Indonesian called es Teh Tarik or Teh Tarik, and then yeah, let's go make this Teh Tarik iced tea, and you need glass and this spoon. And first you open this. I already do to open, and you go to this, and then make sure all in. Make sure to all in. Just all. This all. All. And then second is you need water. The water, hot water. Okay. This hot water. Okay. And then you go into this, the water, the hot water. You the matter like this, you know, this is the water. Okay, I don't know what the English say. And then the last is ice. You need ice to go inside the ice, the tea. Now this ice. Oh, this, and then you need 4 or 5 ice. This one, this 2, 3, 4. I use 4 ice, and you can and then now look at this. Let me try. This is good. Look at this. And thank you for watching. Enjoy your activity. Yeah, I don't know, and yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you enjoy this video. And I don't know what I say. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace.